Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy chicken spring rolls. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need some salt. You're also going to need a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Garamasala, 1 cube of Magi, or you can use jumbo, optional, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, some springroll pastries, a half a kg of chicken breasts, lime or lemon juice, 1 slice of onion, 1 grated carrots, a bit of cabbage, a bit of corns, and lastly different types of bell pepper. So the first step, place the chicken on a medium heat and make sure you've cleaned your chicken. Then you're going to add all the spices, garam masala, some salt, turmeric, curry powder and black pepper. Then you're going to add some lemon juice or you can use some lime juice. And lastly, add the Maggi cube and mix everything well and nice. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste each. Sorry, I didn't mention these 2 ingredients in the beginning. Then mix the chicken very well, then cover to let the chicken to cook until soft. Once the chicken starts to release some water like this, open the lid and let the chicken to cook without covering it until the chicken becomes soft and dry. Once the chicken is soft and the soup has completely dry, then your chicken is ready and remove it from the heat. The next step, place a medium pot on a medium heat and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and let the oil to heat up. Once hot, you're going to add 1 slice of onion and cook it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onions are soft, you're going to add the grated carrots, the cabbage and the bell pepper and mix everything well and nice, then cover to let the vegetables to cook until soft for approximately 5 minutes. Lastly, you're going to add the boiled corns and mix everything well to let it cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes and your vegetables will be ready, and remove them from the heat. Place the vegetables in a bowl and let them to cool down. The next step, you're going to take the cooked chicken and cut it into small pieces like this and place it into the vegetable mixture. Once you're done, mix the vegetables and the chicken very well until everything is nicely combined. Then you're going to take a medium small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix with a bit of water to make a smooth paste. The mixture of the flour should be like this, and our flour paste is ready, and it's high time to fold our spring rolls. Take one spring roll pastry one at a time. Place the veggie chicken mixture on the top of the pastry and fold the spring roll as you can see in the video step by step. When you get at the end, attach the spring roll with the flour paste and your chicken spring roll is ready, and continue with the rest. So the second pastry, I'm going to make a samosa. Take one pastry and cut it into 3. Then afterwards, attach it using a flour paste as you can see in the video. Afterwards, fold the pastry into a triangular shape, then add the veggie chicken mixture into the pastry, and fold the samosa as you can see in the video step by step. When you get at the end, attach the samosa using a flour paste and your chicken samosa is ready, and continue with the rest. Our chicken spring rolls and samosas are ready to be deep fried in the oil. You can fry them immediately or you can freeze them to fry them later. Place some cooking oil on a medium heat and let the oil to heat up a bit. Once the oil is a bit hot, you're going to dip in the spring rolls and the samosas and deep fry them until they're nicely fried and golden brown. Deep fry the spring rolls and the samosas on a medium heat. Make sure the heat is not high. After approximately 5 to 7 minutes, your chicken and samosa spring rolls are ready as you can see in the video. They have this amazing golden brown color. Remove them from the oil and serve them on a plate. And our tasty chicken spring rolls and samosas are ready as you can see in the video. Serve with some sweet and sour sauce or any sauce that you prefer. The recipe of this sweet and sour sauce is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check out how to make this sauce. I'm going to cut one of the spring rolls so you can able to see how the spring roll looks inside. Like it's very crunchy, very tasty. Enjoy with a cold soda or juice and enjoy your chicken spring rolls and samosas. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of snacks, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.